Don't never stop if you wanna be on top, yeah.
Hey booties! We're gonna tap in today. Tapping into the ring. I think that's a sports term, so let's go with that. I want you to get loose, feel your freaking fantasy. We're gonna start with the first move. Take it down, step, and throw. Let's go. Step, throw. Take it up. Woo! Last time slow. Speed this up. Hey, throw. Hey, up. I hope you don't have low-hanging lighting. Wave. Nice and slow over your head. Take it back to the You're making a tsunami with your booty. Faster. 2 more. Oh my gosh, you're making waves. Tap in right. Hey, slow. 2 times fast. Woo. 2 slow.
Tap in. Getting money, get rich, baby, tap in. Tap in. MLB, ICY gang, better tap in.
Take it down, step right, throw, up. This is your party move. This move says, I'm having a good time. Fast! Hey!
This ain't going on sale. All these bars, busy, baby. I do not do friends well. Lot of haters.
Take it out and step to the side.
I can see the smile, but I know she don't like me. 200 for a verse, yeah, I'm way too pricey. I'm gonna bring
tap
back
in right foot.
Low waist, fat, baby, tap in.
Throw, down, yes.
Diamonds dancing on your neck, better tap in. Tap in.
2 more times.
Rich, baby,
I know you probably want to tap out, but I need you to hang on.
ICY gang, better tap in.
We're gonna roll it down our bodies. Slap it. Turn around. The floor's been naughty.
Hope you're not tapped out just yet. If you enjoyed this video, click right here to watch the official music video and click here for 60-minute weekly Booty Army sweat sessions. We do them every week and they never expire.